Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas and an amazing new year. I hope you guys are excited to be in 2022. I hope everyone has a lovely year and everyone is just happy, healthy and super motivated to get all your goals completed in the year. I hope you guys have set yourself some goals and tackle some new things, try out new things for the new year. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely time. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for today's video, I decided to do a nice, cute, simple pink set of nails. I have combined a few of my foils in this video. I don't know if you guys have seen my recent foil collection, but I'm sure you guys saw that it was absolutely massive. So I decided that I do want to venture out into some new nail art designs for the new year. Try and combine a lot of my nail art that I already have in my collection to do nails and stuff. So this is one of those sets, guys, and it came out so cute and it's so easy. But obviously if you guys don't have this kind of foil, it will be a pain to recreate, but to be honest, any foil would have worked. It's a flower butterfly kind of foil. You can always use stickers too, but yeah, I just love how it came out. So as you saw already, I've already buffed the press-on nails. I also applied some nail cleaner and I went in with a base coat. And now I'm applying my first layer of my base colour. And the base colour that I'm using is from the company called R.S Nail. And it's in the shade 115. And it's just this gorgeous, like, almost like a muted baby pink, I think. Kind of thing. I don't know, I really like it. To be honest, when I first got this kind of gel, I wasn't too keen on the color. I'm not too sure why, it just wasn't up my alley at the time. I think I was super crazy about super bright pinks, and this one just wasn't it. This is a muted, like, just a simple pink. It wasn't anything crazy to me at the time. So the first, like, maybe few months after buying it, I did not touch it one bit. And now when I'm doing more and more press-on nails, I've actually been reaching out for this one quite a lot. So that's actually a funny story with this gel polish. It's funny how we all go back to those things. Sometimes you get things, you're like, oh, I don't like it, and then you go right back to it in a few months and you just question yourself why you didn't like it. So that was one of those kind of situations for me. As you can see, I am now going in with my second layer. We are going to pop that one into the lamp and then we can start applying our nail art and all of that kind of stuff. This nail design does involve some glitter. It feels like I've been using so much glitter recently. I have about 4 or 5 nail designs already filmed, and pretty much all of them include glitter. So I'm sorry if you guys are not into glitter as much. I've recently, I don't know, been obsessed. It just feels like I want to combine glitter with any set I'm doing. So yeah, so as you can see with the pinky, I applied the glitter before actually curing that pink, the whole set. So that just made the gel basically work like a glue. And yeah, and it just basically just glued the glitter into the nail. So that basically nail is completely done. And now that the set is out of the lamp, I am applying my Macar transfer foil gel on the thumb and the ring finger. We're going to pop that into the lamp for a minute, and you need to make sure it is for a minute. Always with these transfer foil glues, always try to follow the instructions because you want to get it right, and playing about with foils can sometimes be a bit of a pain, so make sure you do that one. And so now that I don't know if I put the nails in the lamp or not, it just feels like the frame changed, but I'm not sure if they went into the lamp. But I am applying some glossy top coat on the index finger now, and I'm also, actually no, I'm not. I was gonna say I was gonna apply some glossy top coat on the middle one, but we're not. On the middle finger we are going to be applying some crystals. So normally you'd want to apply the crystals first before you apply any top coat. So here I'm showing you guys the foil that I'll be using, and I'm just using this like big flower little, well, not little, this big pink flower that I've got on there. So I'm using that one to pop onto the ring finger. And as you can see, I'm just using my fingers, nothing too crazy. It feels like for this foil, it came out so like easy. Sometimes it feels like I struggle with foils. Sometimes I notice that because of the heat from my fingers, I have to start using some silicone tools and stuff like that. But with this one, I just literally pressed it a few times, picked it off, and it came straight off. So it was absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's just, I don't know, maybe the way I cured the gel. I don't really know what really contributes to that, whether it's the actual foil itself or the gel or what it was, but I was really happy with it. It was so quick and simple. It was really nice. So that's what that one is looking like, and we're going to repeat that exact process for the thumb. So I cut up another piece from the foil, and I found the bit that I wanted and I pressed it down. If you also want, you don't have to do what I'm doing here. You can actually cut out the whole design that you want, so you don't have to like press down the whole sheet like I am with the rest of the little different designs. Just whatever works for you, whatever you also find easiest, because maybe if this was to be a smaller foil for me to work with, maybe it would have been actually easier to do. But as you can see, this thumb just came right off. It was just so easy. I'm so confused. I don't know what I did wrong there. I mean wrong, what I did right. But it was good nevertheless. So yeah, so that's what the set is looking like so far. And now that the foil has been applied, we're going to cap that nail. We're going to apply some glossy top coat, have the nail completely done, ready to go. And for the other fingers, we are going to be doing some glitter work and some crystals and some crystal placements and stuff like that. That's another thing I also want to like really get into. I really want to get some like different colored crystals because they're just so amazing. I feel like they're so cute, and I don't know, I found this place on Ali, and they've got these super cute colored crystals, and they're so sparkly for the Ali kind of like quality, so I'm really curious to get some, and they're super cheap too. So hopefully in the next upcoming haul videos you might see that one, because I have ordered a few different colors, so I'm really excited to see how they end up looking in person, because sometimes in pictures it feels like they Photoshop a few things. So now we're working on that middle finger, and we are applying some crystals. So we're going to do like a teardroplet crystal right at the top, followed by this long thin crystal going down, and then right at the bottom of that long crystal we're going to pop a small little rounded crystal. All those crystals are the AB kind of crystals. And then I felt like it was still a bit bare. I'm still not the best at my crystal placement. Another thing I want to improve on. I do have a lot fair actually bit of crystals, but it's just something, I don't know, just feels like a unknown territory for me at the moment. I don't always try to venture out too much, and yeah, I don't know. But I put some bigger crystals right in the middle where the teardroplet crystal and that long crystal meet. So as you can see, I put two big ones on either side, and then I followed that with two small crystals on either side of that rounded crystal, if that makes sense. I'm not always the best at describing the placement of crystals. And once that was put on there, I believe I went off camera to just centralize it a bit more. I feel like sometimes it's so hard for me to see and get it straight. So here I'm showing you guys it as straight as I thought I could get it. I popped that one into the lamp, and now it's out, and we're going in with our glossy top coat. So we're just applying the glossy top coat across the nail, just trying to avoid the crystals. And a little funny story with that top coat, I really like this top coat. I don't know why. I got it on AliExpress. It's super cheap, but I love it so much. And I don't know what happened. I got one not so long ago, maybe like a month ago, and it hasn't been touched. It felt like I was running out of one, so I just wanted to top up because it takes so long for gel polishes to come from Ali. And it came, and recently I wanted to open it, and it was completely cured. I have no idea what happened. I believe I opened it when it arrived, so I don't think it was faulty because I checked. I'm pretty sure it was okay. And now I opened it and it was completely cured. I'm just so confused. They put it exactly where I keep all the rest of my gel polishes, and nothing else cured in there, and this one did. So I don't know if this just was like a faulty one or something, so that's a shame. So we'll have to go and get a few more of those then. And maybe even try out some other company top coats. But yeah, this one's just like my go-to, good quality I reckon, and also super cheap. And so whilst that middle finger is in the lamp curing, we are going to get our index finger, and we're going to do this like side bit. I don't know how to call it, almost like a French tip, but like a side thing. And we're going to colour that bit in, and we're going to put some glitter on that, and then we're going to pop that into the lamp to cure. And then once it gets cured, we're going to take it out, brush off any excess of the glitter, and we're going to do one more line just positioned above that first initial line we've done, if that makes sense. So we're going to do this little gap. So as you can see now, I'm just going to paint that on right now. So this is what I mean. We're just going to follow that slanted line that we already painted on, but just leaving a gap. So there's a little gap thing going on. Just, I don't know, just felt like it just added a bit more character to the nail. And then we're going to do the same thing where we're going to pop the glitter on top of that, and then pop it into the lamp so that the glitter cures into the gel. And that nail would be good to go, as we already applied some top coat before doing this nail art design. So that will basically kind of conclude the video. That'll be all that we're doing to this nail set. As you can see, it's easy, super easy in my opinion. There's nothing too crazy. Everyone can recreate this, whether it's with some different crystals, different foils, whatever it is. But you guys can definitely recreate it. And and it's easy and super cute. Very girly, I reckon. Definitely very good for the summer, maybe. I don't know. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!